We have James here from StarLeaf. We're going to talk about the new products that they've got. Not really that new, but some exciting stuff that you guys will really enjoy. Over to you, James.
Okay, so right here we've got the StarLeaf Room System, GT Mini, and the main focus is the ease of use. So we want anyone to be able to use this system. Shouldn't just be IT guys, everyone should be able to use this. So we've got a big focus around ease of use. So we've got the nice touch panel there, and what I'm actually going to show you is how simple it is to schedule a meeting.
Okay.
So, on my laptop here, I can come to Outlook. Hopefully many of your customers are using Outlook today.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we've got our little StarLeaf scheduling tool in the top there. So if I choose a slot, let's choose a little slot there, go schedule a meeting. Then that's going to create a meeting in our cloud, and we've got all our meeting information here. We've got dial-in numbers. We're in the Netherlands today, so we've got the dial-in number for the Netherlands, but of course that's our nice +27 number for the South African market. And we can choose who we invite to the meeting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite this phone here. We've got another user, someone called Melissa. And we can do that there, and we'll call this ISE demo. I'm going to send that meeting off. And what that does is, that schedules the meeting in our cloud. And straight away, in our app here, on the desktop experience, we've got ISE demo and a nice green button to join the meeting.
And I can see it's coming up here on the touch panel as well.
Over there on the touch panel, we also have that. And we've also got it come up on the room system screen, because what that's doing is, it's actually syncing the meetings from the PC to the room system. So I didn't even invite the room, but what I've done is, I've walked in, and we've got this new Pronto cable.
That's quite cool.
So what happens is, first, the room's not in use. We've got a meeting scheduled way off in the future. There's no meeting there to join. We walk in the room with our laptop, connect the cable. Not only does our screen start sharing instantly, but it also picks up any meetings that we have scheduled in our personal app, and it shows them on the screen.
And tell me that thing, even if you're not in the call, you can actually you can use it as presentation sharing.
Absolutely, yeah.
Which actually then the customer doesn't need to switch to another input on the display. You can just basically plug it in and off you go. You can do local content sharing.
Absolutely, yeah.
Brilliant.
So local content is very important as well, because you want it to be simple. You don't want to have to switch between content inputs.
Exactly.
You know, so we've got this device, it's USB-C and USB-A. You literally just connect it there.
Yeah.
And then you've got instant sharing on the screen.
And that application will run on both a Mac and on a Windows platform.
Mac and Windows, yeah, exactly.
Perfect. I mean, that's all people really want.
Exactly. And you don't always know which room your meeting's going to be in, so it's quite hard to plan ahead and book a room, especially now we're seeing a lot of companies moving to huddle spaces. They've got all these little dynamic working spaces all across their buildings, and sometimes you can't even reserve them if you want to. They're just designed to go to on an ad hoc basis, and this is perfect for that, because you have one of these on the table, you walk in with your laptop, connect it, and your meeting instantly is transferred to the room system. Brilliant. One click, if you want to have a go, Derek.
I think the one thing I really want to ask, or actually show the customer is, I mean, it's great when you want to actually schedule a meeting. You know, most people want to just pick up a telephone, make a phone call. I need to know if it's that simple for the customer to actually drive it from here, rather than scheduling a meeting from here, if I want to just make a call.
Sure.
How would you do that?
Sure. So, if you want to just make a call from the touch panel.
Okay, let's search for that contact. Okay. We're talking about Tanya.
Yeah, so if we call Tanya.
Tanya Brooks. Okay, and it's as simple as basically just hitting the call.
Just click on her, yeah. And right on the PC, I've got the Hong Kong room calling through. I'm going to mute the mic. And then we've got room calling straight through to a user. And you can do other things now that you're in the call. You could share the PC screen, you can put it on hold. You can also add other participants, so you could start a conference on the fly if you need to. And you can do all the same things from the PC as well, of course, so we don't compromise the experience for the PC user.
Yeah, that's simple enough, eh?
Yeah.
And just you can end the call straight from here.
There we go.
And if I want to do just voice calls, inbound and outbound, would that be possible?
Absolutely, yeah. So we recently added this for every single customer who purchases one of these StarLeaf systems. They're now going to be able to connect this to a PSTN cloud provider. So what that means is you'll get a number. Again, if it's South Africa, it'll be a local number. You can choose which city you're in, get a local number, and then this system will be able to do dial in and out to the PSTN network. So that's just any telephone call, cell phone, mobile, international, whatever you want to configure on your user account, you'll be able to do that from this system as well.
That's brilliant. I think, I mean, you can't ask for anything more simpler than that. And I know you guys have got some exciting new stuff that we'll talk about at a later stage. So, yeah, great. Thanks,
definitely.
thanks for your time, everyone.